Oh, bless you. Bless you.
Just ruined my sneeze. Nah.
Now what? I just said bless
You
you.
just ruined my sneeze.
I
You don't
didn't.
say bless you pre-sneeze, right? Am I
didn't.
right, guys?
I
That's
didn't.
it, right? That's it. The marriage is doomed. Go home, everybody. This wedding is over. I'm
He's
not
just
about that life.
joking.
You do not say bless you pre-sneeze or it ruins the sneeze. Goodbye, everybody. I'm out of here.
Are you?
Go ruin someone else's sneeze, but not mine.